Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. So I wanted to give you a quick 5-minute burn the bird Thanksgiving HIIT workout. So we'll get your heart rate in a plank position, hands under our shoulders, butt is down, and we're going to do side hops. Right here. If you don't want to hop, step it. Step it. You've got it. We're here for 1 minute. After a minute, we are going to stand up for high knees. Pull those knees to your chest. If you don't want to jump it, drive those knees, march it. Right here. 1 minute of high knees. After a minute of high knees, we are going into fast feet. Feet separated. Get those feet going. Here you go. Try to pick up the pace. Get that heart rate up. Burn some calories. You've got it. Keep going. After those fast feet, 1 minute of fast feet, we're going into skaters. My ground is not very even. If you want to make it more challenging, reach for the ground. Modification, step. Step. You've got it. Just one more after this. Can you get any lower? After your minute of skaters, coming back onto the ground, plank position, drive those knees to your chest, mountain climbers. You've got it. Pull that belly button in tight. Happy Thanksgiving, Meg. All right, let me know if you give it a try. After you do that HIIT, maybe take a quick walk. All right, have a happy Thanksgiving, guys.